geeks? We are back at Busch Gardens Williamsburg, and we are here today on a very specific mission. So while we make our way to this very specific mission, over here we're passing by American Jukebox Summer Remix, which is a new show that's playing this summer here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg because it's the Summer of Wonder. And so during the Summer of Wonder, which is all summer long, I'll put the dates right down here on the video. Summer of Wonder is like this event that's going on all summer here at Busch Gardens. It's going to have specialty food items, specialty beverages. They're going to have concerts every weekend. In fact, the concert listing is pretty solid. I've got it up on the screen here. You can see some really good bands playing this summer. And in addition to that, you know, Summer of Wonder also includes the fact that they've opened up the Loch Ness Monster again, and they've opened up, or I should say reopened, a dining establishment, and that's why we're here. We are here to check out Squire's Sweets and the all-new reopened Squire's Grill. Now, we're gonna hit it after we get food, but Squire's Sweets, let's take a look at the menu. It looks like they have cinnamon bun, apple pie delight, strawberry shortcake, hot fudge, as well as soft serve ice cream like a banana split sundae, brownie sundae, and pineapple whip. But before we go with the sweet, we are going to start with the savory here at Squire's Grill. Okay, we are inside Squire's Grill. You can see there's no seating inside. All the seating is outside. But they've like totally redone it in here, and it's kind of beautiful. I mean, lots of cool theming as you look around. I've got this queue area that I have to go through. All right, let's take a look at the menu. So at Squire's Grill, they've got a chili and cheese smothered burger, bacon cheeseburger, and regular cheeseburger. They've got a Beyond Burger for vegetarians, grilled chicken sandwich and chicken tenders, as well as turkey salad, turkey garden salad, and chicken tender wrap. They've got some kids meals, mozzarella sticks and fries, some desserts over there, but we're gonna save our desserts for Squire's Sweets. So even though this is in the England area of the park, not a lot of themed dishes for England, like no fish and chips or anything like really, you know, driving the point that this is England. However, I think, and you can correct me if I'm wrong down in the comments, but I think this is the only place in the park to get a burger. So I think we're gonna get us a burger. Okay, so we ordered up there, they gave us a receipt, and we come back here to pick up our food into this themed area. Looks like they've got all the condiments over there. They just called my number. That's me, I'll be right there. Just kind of wanted to walk you around and show you all the theming. Here's a look at some of the desserts. Chocolate chip cookies, looks pretty yummy. Oh wow, look at all that up there. That's pretty, oh wow, look at that. They really did a great job in here. It's too bad there's no seating. We actually have to go outside and sit because it's pretty cool in here. Literally cool. It's got air conditioning, whereas outside it's 90 degrees. Okay, so here's what we got. Like I said, the seating is outside the restaurant, which is okay. They actually installed more seating over behind the sweet shop. Actually, I changed my mind. Let's go sit there. So the seating area in front of Squire's Grill was pretty full and a little loud. We came back here behind Squire Sweets, which is the new deck, refinished deck they've put in. A little bit quieter to show you what we got. So we did pay for our meal today, and just to kind of give you a look, we got a cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger, comes with fries, a chicken tenders, and a soda, and it came out to $39.59, and that's after the pass holder discount. So this is what we paid, and this is what we got. Fries look nice and seasoned. Chicken tenders look pretty standard. burger looks like a little bit flat on the bun. But inside, I mean, the bacon looks pretty good. Let's give this stuff a shot. Okay, first up, let's go ahead and try one of these chicken tenders. I'm actually just gonna pull a piece off of the chicken tender. Let's give it a bite. All right, chicken tender's actually not bad. It's your standard chicken tender. I'm gonna dip some in some barbecue sauce. Yeah, just a standard chicken tender. It's like a breaded chicken tender, but it's got decent flavor. It's nice and crunchy, hot. You know, it's not lukewarm at all. It's definitely hot. So, I mean, obviously, I think a lot of people love a chicken tender. I know I do. So, if you're looking for chicken tenders, they've got them right there at Squire's Grill. And they've got all the sauces like I showed you on the condiment bar. Okay, now for a French fry. I did salt them, but you can see they're seasoned already. And these are actually really good French fries. The French fries, I haven't tried the burger yet, but I'd say the French fries so far are the winner. I like the seasoned French fries, so if you don't like seasoned French fries, probably not up your alley. But these are really good fries. What's nice about the bacon cheeseburger is that it's actually served with just bacon and cheese. I like a burger plain without the lettuce and tomato, and it does not come with the lettuce and tomato. I think you can ask for it. Oops, that piece of bacon just fell. I think you can ask for it, or maybe it's on the condiment bar, but this is plain, just the way I like it. Now, the only bad thing is you can tell the bun's, you know, a little overcooked. Don't love that, but you can tell it was just kind of like maybe squished down a little bit too much on the griddle. Okay, I cut the burger in half just to make it a little easier to eat, and let's give it a bite. Okay, you know, I gotta say, if that bun wasn't overcooked, I think that burger would be delicious. If the bun itself is nice and buttery, like, it's actually, again, other than the burned parts, the bun is delicious. But the burger itself, I mean, it's not the most spectacular burger. It's just a standard bacon cheeseburger that you could get in a theme park, but the bun's really tasty and the burger's good. I would actually get that again. And with the yummy fries, I would hit Squire's Grill again. The chicken tenders, like I said, standard. But that bacon cheeseburger, especially with that buttered bun, I like that quite a bit. The bacon's nice and crispy. It's, you know, it's a little messy just because I cut it in half. But in general, that's a pretty tasty bacon cheeseburger. You know, I hadn't intended on eating that whole burger because we have other things we want to try. We have sweets we want to try and maybe walk around and see if they have any of those special food items from Summer of Wonder. And so I hadn't intended on eating that whole burger, but I really liked it. I ate that whole burger. Chicken tenders were fine, tasted them out, but the burger, I think the burger's a recommend for me. That was really good. But of course we left room for dessert. Okay, we are back at Squire Sweets because we left some room for dessert. What do we want? Do we want an apple pie delight or do we want a cinnamon bun? I mean, they all sound good. I think we're gonna go cinnamon bun. Okay, so I was going to complain that even with my discount, this cinnamon bun cost $13.86, right? Then it came out. Oh, okay. I mean, look at this thing. Look, there's my hand. It's for scale. It's huge. That soft serve ice cream looks like some type of cinnamon cream cheese icing on a funnel cake with whipped cream. It looks incredible. So I got a bite that's a little bit of everything. It's already dripping because it's so hot outside. Let's give this a shot. I don't even know what to say. This is, I'm speechless at how good this is. Yes, it's expensive, but I mean, you see the size of it. There's no way that one person can eat this. This is probably like I mean, I shouldn't say there's no way. I'm sure somebody could eat it. Not me, I'm not that person. But I'm gonna do my damnedest because this is amazing. Okay, that cinnamon bun funnel cake may have legit been the best thing I've ever eaten at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. It was that good. I had to stop myself because I could have eaten the whole thing and then I would have been sick and I wouldn't have been able to finish this video. But Squire's Grill and Squire's Sweets, honestly, I think they were both good. The cinnamon bun, delicious. The burger, really tasty. Chicken tenders, pretty standard, but the French fries were good. So I'd say that's a winner. I will definitely eat there again. Will it replace Fest House Pizza in my heart? No. But Fest House Pizza doesn't have pepperoni anymore. So maybe I'll hit this one a little more often. Not that we have room for any more food. But like I mentioned, or I don't know if I mentioned this, but if I didn't, we are here on a Monday. So unfortunately, some of the Summer of Wonder kiosks are not open. But here's an example of the types of food, specialty food items they have. So they have a chicken tender platter, but this one's with sweet potato waffle fries, and they have different flavors. Cauliflower bites, sweet potato fries. And look at this. This is what I'm about to show you all. So while we make our way to the next thing that I wanted to show you all before we wrap up today, I did want to mention that during Summer of Wonder, if you are a past member to Busch Gardens Williamsburg, they have a number of special things that you can earn. And if you visit 20 times to Busch Gardens before August 11th, which is really tight and you have to come a lot, they have a special Hollow Scream exclusive event for members who accomplish that task, which is pretty awesome. I don't think we're going to be able to do it. It's quite a lot of visits, and we certainly don't plan to be here 20 times between now and August. But if you're going to be, let us know how the event is. It sounds pretty cool. But for now, we are going to make our way towards the Loch Ness Monster. Now, if you haven't seen our Loch Ness Monster videos, oh, there it is again. If you haven't seen our Loch Ness Monster videos, I will link them at the end of this video, because we followed the whole revitalization of the Loch Ness Monster up to and including its opening, and we had a great time. So definitely check those videos out after you've watched this one. And this cool thing over here is one I wanted to show you all. They've installed a Coca-Cola Freestyle area over here in front of the Loch Ness with the brand new Loch Ness on it, which is pretty awesome. But I wanted to show you, they also have, let's see where it is. Okay, there it is. It's down here. If you look down in the corner, you'll see two buttons. They have a Serpent Lime Spritz from Seagram's, themed to the Loch Ness Monster, and a Thunder Blast from Fanta, themed to Dark Coaster, which is pretty cool. So just to kind of show you, I click Serpent Lime Spritz, and there it is. And you can get it that flavor or a zero sugar flavor. I don't know if you can see it with the glare, but there it is, Serpent Lime Spritz. There she is. Hi, Nessie. All right, well, with Nessie right behind us, we thought we'd wrap up this video just by talking a little bit more about Squire's Grill and Squire's Sweets. Some really great additions right there in the front of the park. So, if you have a long drive and you get here, you're looking for something to eat, I think those are really great additions to the park. Now, obviously, it's a little bit of a bummer that they don't have England-themed foods, but they do have foods that are kind of more generic, a little bit, easier if you have a family and kids. You get them a cheeseburger, some chicken tenders, things like that. It's a pretty decent menu. The burger was really good, despite the fact that I was worried the burned bun wouldn't be tasty. I ate the heck out of that burger. And then the cinnamon bun. I cannot stress enough how good that thing was. So, like I said, Loch Ness. Like I said, Summer of Wonder is going on all summer here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. So if you come check it out, let us know what you think. What concerts are you interested in checking out? Leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you're most looking forward to this summer at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Obviously, we'll be back, and we are excited because in just a few months, we have Hollow Scream. We've actually talked about some of the rumored things coming to this year's 25th Hollow Scream. So super psyched for that. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel if you want all that Busch Gardens Williamsburg content. Hit the subscribe button, the little notification bell so that you know when we release our next video. Give us a thumbs up on this one. Let us know that you like seeing Busch Gardens content and that you want more of it. Also, it helps us out. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. I really love the design of this. I hope that if they are, in fact, bringing back the Big Bad Wolf at the back of the park in Oktoberfest, they do a Big Bad Wolf freestyle stand, because That's pretty cool looking. I mean, what flavor do you think a Big Bad Wolf soda would be? Do you think it'd be like black cherry? I think black cherry would be a good one. Or like a cherry Coke, maybe kind of flavor. I don't know. What do you think? Leave us a comment down below. Whoa, check it out. The pups are out. Hello. Oh, he's playing with the bubbles. Okay, correction. That's a girl doggy, not a boy doggy. I always like to come into the sweet shop to look at the donuts. Look at this one. It's green glazed with Lucky Charms on it. That looks so delicious. But I am full of cinnamon bun. Next time though, next time.
Next time, Gadget. I promise I'll get you next time.
That guy is sitting with a giant poop on his lap. As we pass Union Snacks on our way out, I just want to mention that you can also get the Loch Ness Monster and Dark Coaster sodas in Union Snacks in the front of the park. So I walked in the store right here at the front of the park just to see what kind of cool merchandise they have. They've got these Loch Ness Monster coins. They have very cool Loch Ness Monster hats, including down here, a member exclusive hat. But the main thing I want to show you, I was honestly just seeing if they had any Howl-O-Scream merchandise out early. This caught my eye. Busch Gardens Williamsburg. A Big Bad Wolf. Now I know this is not a new shirt, but the fact that it's here at the front of the store, I thought was pretty cool. Also, Busch Gardens missed opportunity to not have a Build a Nessie in your workshop. Just saying. Okay, I take it back. Maybe they do have a Build-A-Bear, not Nessie, a Build-A-Nessie. Look at that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Stay back, Nessie. And here it is, down here. $39.99 to build your own Nessie. Thank you for visiting.